AI can be a powerful data analyst, but only when you give it the right context. If you just paste numbers and say, "Analyze this," you get vague answers. The real skill is telling the AI what your data represents and what you actually want to learn from it. In this lesson, we'll look at how to structure data analysis prompts so the AI finds patterns and generates insights you can use. The big idea to keep in mind throughout is simple. Good data analysis prompts specify goals, not just data. When the AI knows what decision you're trying to make, it stops describing your numbers and starts giving you answers that matter. Before any analysis, give the AI 4 things. First, a data description. What does this data actually represent, like monthly sales from an e-commerce store? Second, the schema. List the columns or fields that exist, such as date, product ID, category, revenue, quantity, and customer type. Third, your goal. What insight are you seeking, for example, find patterns in what drives high revenue days? And fourth, constraints. Tell it what to focus on, like the last 6 months only and the top 3 categories. These 4 pieces, description, schema, goal, and constraints, are the foundation. Get them right, and everything that follows gets sharper. Here's what a complete basic analysis prompt looks like. It opens with a clear instruction to analyze the data and provide insights. Then it gives a data description, 12 months of SaaS metrics with revenue, new customers, churn, and marketing spend. The data itself goes in as a simple table. Next comes the Analyze for section, listing exactly what to examine: the revenue trend and growth rate, customer acquisition cost, the correlation between marketing spend and new customers, and churn patterns. Finally, it specifies the output, a key metric summary, 3 main insights, and 2 actionable recommendations. Notice how nothing is left to guesswork. The AI knows the data, the questions, and the format you want back. Sometimes you have a dataset you don't fully understand yet. That's when you ask for exploratory analysis. Here, the prompt describes an e-commerce transaction log with columns like timestamp, user ID, product, category, price, device type, and whether the customer is returning. Instead of pointing at one answer, you ask the AI to explore. Give an overview with a data quality check and basic statistics. Surface interesting patterns like unexpected correlations and customer segments. Suggest questions worth investigating further and hypotheses the data hints at. And flag data quality issues to address. This is how you let AI help you understand data before you commit to a specific analysis. For experiments, you can ask for real statistical analysis. Take an A/B test on a checkout flow. The prompt describes the control and treatment, the conversion metric, a 2-week run, and 10,000 users per group. Then it gives the results: 3.2% conversion for control versus 3.8% for treatment. Now, the analysis section asks the important questions. Is this difference statistically significant at p below 0.05? Calculate a confidence interval for the difference. What sample size would we need for 95% confidence? Interpret the practical significance. And finally, recommend whether to ship or keep testing. That last step turns statistics into a decision. Data analysis isn't only about numbers, it's also about how you show them. You can ask the AI to recommend visualizations. Here, the prompt provides 12 months of engagement metrics, daily active users, session duration by user type, feature usage by age group, and a conversion funnel by source. For each metric, you ask 4 things: what's the best chart type and why? Which key dimensions to include? What insight should the chart highlight? And a title suggestion. This turns the AI into a thinking partner for presenting your findings, so your charts communicate a point instead of just displaying data. Now it's your turn. Try designing an analysis prompt for a real business question, like understanding why customer churn increased 20% last quarter. Ask yourself what data you'd need, what questions should be analyzed, what segmentation matters, and what output format would be most useful. Remember the one rule that ties this whole lesson together. Data analysis prompts work best when they specify goals, not just data. You can practice this right now. Head to the lesson page on FreeAcademy AI and use the interactive prompt playground, or paste one of these prompts straight into an AI assistant like ChatGPT or Claude and see what insights come back. Give it a try.